let me just quickly, do the text box properties and change this to txt number of days leave. And then obviously I cannot make it. It should not be blank, and also actually it's just auto calculated, but we'll make it read only. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to do the preview here and then see how it comes. So obviously it is an AND with no values existing, but then once I select this, then I come back here. Okay, there is a formatting problem that we have here, so let's just check what happens. So NaN means that it's unable to calculate the value. So let's figure out if we have any functions. So date and time, we have days, it should actually show the dates automatically. Okay, we will fix this after some time. Alright, so I'm just going to publish this right now. Okay, so we have a problem with this, but we will see. Okay, maybe we can do an add rule actually. Action, run add set of fields value, field of number of days, the value. Okay, again it comes up, obviously it's not making any sense anyway. So I'll just delete this, go back here. Alright, so now go to file. So we've got publish, right? So publish now allows you to publish this to SharePoint. So I'm going to click on publish, and once I click on publish, it asks me where do you want to publish it. We've got SharePoint server, we've got email, we've got network location, or we want to just export it. So I'm going to click on SharePoint server. It says it should be saved before publishing. So I'm going to click on OK and then save this somewhere. And then once I save this, it's asking for the SharePoint site. I'm going to give 888.
General site, yes.
Yeah, and then I'm going to click on next, and now it says, do you want the users to fill this out from a browser? Yes, I want to. And then what do you want to create or modify? I'm going to say form library. So I want this InfoPath form to be stored in a form library. We will look at the other options in a short while. So I'm going to click on next, and then I'm going to say create a new form library. I'm going to say leave request. Stores leave requests or and click on next. And now we also have an option to map certain fields to the InfoPath form fields. So I'm going to map this here. So I'm going to say leave categories. Here I'll change the column name, right, and then I'll say OK. Then I'll add one more column name from date. Change this column name here, and then add DTP to date, and then we will add it here, and then we will put number of days leave, then I will add this here. So now when I say next, I get an option to publish this.
This is to remove the XT from publishing, yes?
We will see what happens. So basically it creates those columns in the form library. So when a user submits the form, the data is automatically picked up from the form and put inside.
Save, yeah?
Yeah. So now form template is published successfully. So I'm going to click on close, and I'm going to go to my website and click on refresh. Now once I go to my refresh, I have leave requests. See, it's automatically created. So when I go here and click on add document, now you will see the leave request form coming up. So it's loading the form. See, automatically picked up the user. I have my leave here, I have my dates here, can select anything, right, and then I can save this.
Okay.
Now when I save this, I say config and then I save this.
Perfect.